subscribe with notifications on.
About us gonna be in trouble again. So, what is the meaning of this?
No, there is no such thing. Everyone has got a right for freedom of speech.
Okay.
So I don't see a problem with saying anything about anyone. Like, I don't see a problem really.
Okay.
And I don't think anyone should be scared of anyone, guys. Like, no.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you.
I'll
Alright,
give
thank
you
you
my
so much.
number. If anyone wants to give you a problem, call me.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Alright, thank you so much.
So you're gonna show us sort of the video, like
When we're gonna, what platform gonna see that video?
then you have to tell us your page on Facebook.